Watch AI create a project impact and funding dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our project data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying key metrics like project status, funding allocation, beneficiary counts, and geographical distribution. The system is intelligently creating multiple visualizations, charts showing project status distribution, funding trends over time, beneficiaries by impact area, and location-based analysis. It's also generating data tables for detailed project insights. Our complete project impact and funding dashboard is ready with 5 interactive charts and 2 comprehensive tables. We can instantly customize the visual theme to match our brand. Now let's explore presentation mode. This creates a full-screen, polished view perfect for stakeholder meetings and executive presentations. The clean interface removes all editing tools, focusing purely on your data insights. We can exit presentation mode and return to our interactive dashboard where every chart and table remains fully functional for deeper analysis. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.